Hi guys, Kinga here. How are you? Ever wonder how to bring your social followers onto your email list? Well, in today's video, I want to talk to you how to use ManyChat, a chatbot, to move your social followers from Instagram and Facebook onto your email list. In order to do this, first you need to set up an account in ManyChat. Once you set up an account, then connect it with your Instagram and Facebook pages. The ManyChat is free up to a certain threshold of followers or subscribers. So I think it's a great way for you to start experimenting with it and see how you can leverage this integration. It's just another way of trying to build your list by engaging your followers, bringing traffic, whether it's organic or paid ads, onto your website. In order to do this, let me show you how to do the integration. We start with going to your settings in ManyChat, and then you go to integrations, and there you go. It's already built in. So all we need to do is pull those API keys, and in order to do this, we got to go to our Klaviyo account, and then you go to settings. From settings, API keys. Here I am going to pull my public API, add it here, and then let's go and create a private. I am going to call it ManyChat. Give full access, create, and copy, and add it here. And this way now I've built an integration that it will allow me to move people from social by entering their email and move them directly into my Klaviyo list. Now that we have this, let me show you how to leverage this within ManyChat. The best way to do it is either by building Facebook ads or creating posts where people have to comment. I have an example here of an automation that's been built, and I just really quickly want to show you how this works. Now, this isn't going to be a tutorial on ManyChat, but just in order to kind of give some context, I wanted to explain how this integration works. Basically, like I said, either from ads or your posts, you asking people to perform a certain action, to comment on your post, and then you're building this automation when you're kind of leading them to questions, which is very similar to exactly what you can do with your SMS messaging, which I think it's a great idea to kind of copy it or, leverage both and see how creative you can get with your communication with your subscriber. Okay, so in this case here, we are welcoming them, and then we're asking them whether they are on the list or not. And then if they are not, we are asking them whether they want to subscribe. If they say yes, we want to subscribe, then great. Here is where they need to enter their email address. And from here, they will go directly onto our list built in Klaviyo. What's important is to build a separate welcome flow for them, because obviously they're coming from social, so their intent is completely different than coming directly to the website. You just need to make sure that you're not mixing them up with everyone else who's coming into your welcome flow. Okay, so this is one way how we're leveraging ManyChat, and that would be with the integration where we are asking them and collecting the email through ManyChat. However, there's another way, much simpler version that I would like to share, where we are actually just using the ManyChat to get them engaged in a conversation. And then from there, within the ManyChat conversation, we are sending them to a landing page on Klaviyo where we have a pop-up and we are asking them to enter email. So here's an example where we are asking them to comment on a post, and then from here we're engaging them in a giveaway. We're asking them if they want to participate in a giveaway, and from here, if they say yes, we are giving them a link to the landing page, and on the landing page we are building the spin wheel. The way this works is that we actually not collecting the email here, but we want to simply help us move the traffic from social onto the website in hopes that they are going to engage on the website. So we've built this landing page, which is actually a full page pop-up within Klaviyo with a spin wheel. And then when they say spin now, they are going to have to provide their email address. And then once they enter the email, then we are going to send them price, letting them know what they want. And I created the video on Spinwheel and how to use this within Klaviyo, so I'll provide the link where you can reference to that video, but that's basically the same concept. However, this way we are able to bring them, use the forms in Klaviyo, and hopefully they'll convert them here onto the list. If you find this helpful and interesting, please comment, like, and share, as this helps us tremendously with the algorithm to share this and gain us wider reach. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.